National Mathematics Day is celebrated in honor of the great Srinivas Ramanujan, whose work continues to inspire us.
Now I request our respected principal ma'am to address the gathering with a few inspiring words.
So good morning teachers and my dear students. So today we all gathered here to celebrate National Mathematics Day. So why we are celebrating Mathematics Day means on birth anniversary of Sri Sir Ramanujan Sir birthday. So this is a very great day for all of you. Why? Because mathematics is not a subject, it is just a way of thinking. So mathematics anedi, it is a very difficult subject, but you have to remember the problems and you have to learn the logical thinking, reasoning and also discipline. So I want to thank all your maths teachers who are teaching mathematics today. So for this great gathering also. So once again I wish you a very happy Maths Day. So firstly I want to say on this Mathematics Day, first you overcome the fear of mathematics. ఆ ఫియర్ ని తీసేయండి. మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే చాలా కష్టం, మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్లీ యూ కమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దాట్. ఫియర్ తీసేస్తేనే మీరు బాగా నేర్చుకోగలరు. సో మ్యాథ్స్ కెన్ షేప్ ద మైండ్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో గివ్స్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్. సో మ్యాథ్స్ బాగా నేర్చుకుంటే మీ మైండ్ చాలా షార్ప్ అవుతుంది, ఫ్యూచర్ లో చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సో యుల్ రైట్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ వెరీ great talent exams. So in the talent exams you will have logical thinking, reasoning. So if we learn mathematics, you can solve that all problems. Okay? So once again I wish you a very happy Maths Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your informative speech.
Now I request our respected Shyam sir to speak a few words.
Happy Maths Day today. On occasion of Sir Ramanujan's birthday, we declare it as a National Maths Day.
Thank you sir for such an informative speech. Of class 9 is going to deliver a speech.
To respected Principal Ma'am and Principal Shyam sir, respected class teachers, today we are brought here to celebrate Maths Day. So many of us think that maths is just a subject which is required to pass the exams. But in reality, maths follows us everywhere. From the moment we wake up, we first check the time. the time. Calculation of time is dependent on mathematical principles such as counting and multiplication.
Our respected correspondents are to address the words.
Srinivas Ramanujan's birthday is a maths day. It's very important to integrate the maths in our daily life because maths is the thing where we can think logically. It trains our brain. So it's an exercise. We are to consider it an exercise so that it will train your brain to perform any other subjects also. Because when you memorize the formulas and when you apply the logics to the mathematics, so it will train your brain so that the memory will be increased and it will be so useful for you in other aspects also. Okay? Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am and principal sir, Shyam sir, and correspondent sir. Good morning to respected teachers. Today we are brought here to celebrate Maths Day. Today is the birthday of Srinivas Ramanujan. We might think maths is just a subject required to pass exams, but mathematics follows us everywhere. From the moment we wake up, we see the time. Calculation of time is completely dependent on mathematical principles such as counting and multiplication. Money, which is one of the most important things in our world, is also dependent on money. Whether it may be saving, spending, profit, loss, interest, everything of it is dependent on money. Without maths, financial planning would be impossible. And also, maths is very important in engineering and construction. The buildings, bridges, roads and dams are standing strong today only thanks to maths. Engineers use complex mathematical formulas and accurate calculations and geometry and trigonometry to build these buildings. So today these buildings stand tall only because of our mathematics. And mathematics is also very important in healthcare. Doctors use mathematics to check the dosage of the medicine required to the patient. They also use maths to check the blood reports, analyze any reports and operate medical equipment. Maths is also very important in our daily life activities such as cooking. Cooking requires timing, measurement and ratios. Sports also use mathematics to calculate scores, averages, angle, speed. Traveling also requires mathematics. There is distance, time, speed and fuel. Also, today in this modern world, there are new scientific discoveries and technological advancements. These are not possible without mathematics. We are using mobiles and computers. The internet has become an indispensable part of our life. So the internet is basically just a code. This code is made of mathematical concepts like logarithms. And also maths can help improve our mental knowledge. Doing maths can make our brain sharp and make us take quick decisions and quick calculations. So to conclude, I can say that maths is not just a subject which is required to pass the exams. Maths is an important part of our life. Without maths, the whole world will become a standstill. Thank you.
Sheet of class 9 is going to deliver a speech.
Dear respected sir and madam and my dear teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to talk about the importance of Maths Day. Srinivas Ramanujan was a brilliant mathematician born in India on December 22, 1887. He was largely self-taught using textbooks to explore advanced topics. From a young age he showed his passion in mathematics. Despite facing many health challenges, Ramanujan gave his passion in mathematics. At the age of 32, he passed away and left behind a rich legacy of mathematics. His birthday on December 22 is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Kind of class 9 is going to deliver a speech.
Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. I am V. Gagan Sampath. I am studying 9th standard in Shubhodaya English Medium High School. And very good morning to respected Principal Madam and corresponding Sir, Kaushik Sir and Shyam Sir. Today I am here to speak about Aryabhatta. Today, December 22nd, we are celebrating National Mathematics Day. National Mathematics Day. Mathematics we cannot do anything because mathematics around everything around us was mathematics and everything around us was surrounding us was numbers. Aryabhatta was also known as father of Indian mathematics, was born around 476 CE and he studied at Kusumapura. He is a great mathematician and studied astronomy and proposed that Earth rotates on its own axis. He calculated the value of pi and invented the important number 0 because zero gives value to the numbers. And he made works on trigonometry, algebra and in astronomy. And the first satellite in India in 1975 was named Aryabhatta in his honor. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Have a great day. Tonight is going to speak few words.
Respected Principal Madam and teachers and my dear friends, good morning to one and all. Today I am here to speak about one of the greatest mathematician in history, Pythagoras. He was born around 570 BCE on the Greek island of Samos. He was not only a mathematician but also a philosopher, teacher and a scientist. He believed that the number rules the universe. According to him, everything in the nature can be explained through mathematics. To people to understand the world in a scientific and logical way. One of the famous ideas of Pythagoras was Pythagorean theorem. It states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of the two other sides. It can be written as a square plus b square is equals to c square. It still helped in construction, architecture and navigation. He made discoveries in music also. He found that the musical sounds are depend on the numerical ratios. Mathematics is connected with art and harmony. In this opportunity.
Thank you. Now, K. Akhil of class 9 is going to tell a few points.
Good morning, one and all. Respected Principal Sir and Principal Madam and all the teachers. I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is K. Akhil. I am studying 9th standard in Subodaya English Medium High School. I want to talk about a few lines about importance of mathematics in real life. Maths is crucial in real life for building logical thinking and from daily tasks like we celebrate National Mathematics Day on the honor of Srinivasa Ramanujan, the invisible foundation. Mathematics is used for daily life in many ways. Technology, the algorithms that we use that powers the social media feeds and the encryption that keeps the messages private. Nature, mathematics is the hidden architecture of the world. Mathematics is used for the hexagon. It is defined. You see it in the hexagonal structure of beehive and etc. Decision making. Mathematics is used for understanding finances and understanding risks. Ramanujan once said that an equation without meaning unless expressed as God's thought. As I conclude that, let's challenge that we can understand the beauty in numbers. Thank you.
Thank you. Class 8 is going to say a few words.
Morning to Principal. Today I am saying speech about Euclid. Euclid was an ancient Greek mathematician. His name was derived from the Greek word which means good glory. He was born in the mid 4th century BC and lived in Alexandria. He is referred to as Alexander of Euclidean. He is referred to as father of geometry. He say about the geometry of what known as the Euclidean geometry. He had several contributions of area of perspective, cones, triangles and etc. So finally our maths teacher is not just someone who teaches numbers and formulas. Our maths teacher is someone who tells us to think logically and solve the problems. So add your effort, subtract your fear, maths gives you every answer clear. Thank you.
Sadhana of class 8 is going to speak a few words.
I am here to say the speech about Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi was a great Indian mathematician. She was born in November 3rd, 1929 in Bangalore. She is also a human computer. She is also can find the date of the day of any date. She is the human computer of the world. She can calculate 13-digit numbers within 23 seconds. Thank you.
Class 8 is going to speak a few words.
8th standard. Today I am here to speak about few words of Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta is a famous mathematician in India. He lived in an ancient in India. He was born on 598th century AD. He wrote the book. It is titled as Brahmasputra Siddhanta. Thank you. Thank you.
Vasanti of class 8 is going to deliver a speech.
Even respected principal sir and ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today I want to tell about a great Indian mathematician, Dr. Ganesh Prasad. He was born in 1876 in Uttar Pradesh. He is father of mathematical research in India. He was born in He is very smart student and a very kind teacher. He served society with honest and responsibility. He believed kindness and compassion. He inspired students and young people. He is hero of Indian mathematician. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Now K. Harshika of class 8 is going to speak a few words.
I am to go tell about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is a great Indian mathematician. He introduced the value of pi and the place value system of using zero. And he explained the solar and lunar eclipse. He made the India proud. Thank you.
Now C.H. Mokshika of class 8 is going to deliver a speech.
Good morning, one and all. I am here to tell about Srinivas Ramanujan. Srinivas Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician. He born on December 22, 1887 in New York, India. He is self-taught mathematician in India. And in young age, he showed interest in mathematician by solving difficult problems using formulas. And he is also called the father of nation. Thank you for giving this word of knowledge.
Vaishnavi of class 8 is going to deliver a speech.
Morning to one and all. I am here to talk about a legendary scientist. His name is Varahamihira. Varahamihira lived in 6th century in the holy city of Ujjain. He was so brilliant. He discovered that moon and stars do not have their own light. They shine because of the sun. He wrote a world famous book called Pancha Siddhantika, which is like an encyclopedia. He wrote about earthquakes, weather patterns and even how to find underground water by using animals and plants. He wrote all these secrets in a book called Brihad Samhita. Thank you for giving this award.
Thank you. Jyotimai of class 9 is going to deliver a speech.
Morning morning, one and all, respected principal ma'am and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak about Shakuntala Devi, who was a famous mathematician. She is known as human computer because she can solve complex mathematical problems in few seconds. She is born in 1929 in Bangalore. We have to take that spirit of curiosity with us. She can solve 28 seconds.
Invite our maths teacher Satish Raj to speak few words.
ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యామ్, టీచర్స్ అండ్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈరోజు మనము నేషనల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ డే సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటాం ఆన్ ది అకేషన్ ఆఫ్ బర్త్ యానివర్సరీ ఆఫ్ శ్రీనివాస్ రామానుజన్. అయితే ఈ ట్రెండ్ అనేది మనకి ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందంటే 2012 మన మాజీ ప్రధానమంత్రి అయిన మన్మోహన్ సింగ్ గారు స్టార్ట్ చేశారు ఈ ట్రెండ్ అనేది. 2012ని నేషనల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్ ఇయర్ గా వాళ్ళు డిక్లేర్ చేశారనమాట. 2012 ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ నేషనల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ డే అనేది సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నాం మనం. అయితే అనేక మంది గణితంలో మహానుభావులు ఉన్నారు, శాస్త్రవేత్తలు ఉన్నారు, కానీ వాళ్ళందరికీ దక్కని ఒక గౌరవం అనేది శ్రీనివాస రామానుజన్ గారికి దక్కిందనమాట. మా జీరో ఇన్వైట్ చేసిన ఆర్యభట్ట కావచ్చు, లీలావతి అనే బ్యూటిఫుల్ బుక్ రాసిన భాస్కరాచార్యులు ఉన్నారు. కానీ వాళ్ళందరూ కాదని కానీ మా రామానుజన్ గారికి ఇవ్వడానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే ఆయనకి నెంబర్ 3 మీద ఆయనకున్న పట్టు అనేది ఎంతో అమోఘమైంది. ఆయన నెంబర్ 3 కానీ, మాక్ పీడా ఫంక్షన్స్ కానీ, ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సిరీస్ మీద ఆయన చేసిన పరిశోధనలు అనేకమైన ఉన్నాయి. అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 4000 పరిశోధనల వరకు ఆయన చేసి ఉన్నారనమాట. ఓకేనా? సో ఎంతో గొప్ప వ్యక్తి అయిన రామానుజన్ గురించి ఈరోజు మనం స్మరించుకుంటూ ఇలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవడం ఎంతో హ్యాపీగా ఉందన్నమాట. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ హ్యాపీ నేషనల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ డే. అండ్ ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన మన ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం గారికి, అదేవిధంగా సహకరించిన మీ అందరికీ మరోసారి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకుంటూ ముగిస్తున్నాను.
Today's program we knew that maths is not only about exams but also about fun, logic and creativity. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations or formulas but about understanding. The model displayed today are the result of students' hard work, imagination and mathematics thinking. Through this exhibition, students have tried to show how mathematics is connected to real life. All the best friends, just show us talent. It is the time to take a pledge to show any problem in maths.
Everyone stretch your hands. Math is my world. All math problems are my friends and relatives. I love my maths and I am proud of its speed and accuracy. I shall always try to solve all the problems. I shall learn principles, formulas and do all the sums with happiness and treat every problem with respect. I shall mind all the chapters. To solving the sums and finding the answers alone lies my happiness. Thank you.